Hello. Tonight, we're swirling down through the moonlit, moshy skies with Crystal, a little moshling made of snow, and billions of her little snowflake friends. So cozy up and close your eyes.
Holding hands each time we fall, tumbling down, I hear your call. And as one we close our eyes, melting hearts before we rise.
When snow falls on the moshy world, near the end of every year, it creates a special silence that somehow you can hear. Time appears to slow down once snow settles on the ground, and the whole world is enchanted by the magic muffled sound. This peaceful vibe is comforting to moshlings everywhere, as nothingness and crispness soon pervade the icy air. But best of all's the time when snow is falling from above. For this creates a spectacle that moshlings really love. Right now, at this very moment, snow is tumbling down through the moonlit skies above towards a moshy town. Amongst the flakes is Crystal, a moshling made of snow. And she's dancing in the moonlight as the wind begins to blow.
Holding hands each time we fall, tumbling down, I hear your call. And as one we close our eyes, melting hearts before we rise.
Crystal loves this time of year, 'cause snowflakes are kept busy, falling from the clouds above. So much it makes her dizzy. The snow descent is lots of fun, more elegant than rain. And every time she lands, she cannot wait to fall again. Tonight, she's drifting towards a hillside, not in any hurry, for she's falling with some snowflake pals, forming quite a flurry. They spin and twirl upon the breeze like shimmering frozen petals. This is always Crystal's favorite part, before she finally settles. But one thing's troubling Crystal as she tumbles in a blur, 'cause all she sees are snowflakes, and they all look just like her.
I feel a little lost.
She thinks.
I'm just like all the rest. Nothing makes me different, distinctive, or the best.
Holding hands each time we fall, tumbling down, I hear your call. And as one we close our eyes, melting hearts before we rise.
Swirling now beneath the stars, Crystal seeks advice and spots a friendly-looking snowflake.
He looks pretty wise.
Crystal twirls towards him and reaches for his hand. It's something snowflakes often do as they prepare to land.
Nice to meet you.
Crystal says.
Do you ever wish that there weren't so many snowflakes falling from above? Like this?
The other snowflake looks at her, thinks, and gently smiles. There has to be a lot of us. We need to cover miles. By the way, I'm Jack, says Crystal's brand new snowflake friend. Allow me to explain how snow works while we both descend. But before all that, I think we need to join up with more flakes. You'll be surprised at what a difference strength in numbers makes.
Holding hands each time we fall, tumbling And as one we close our eyes, melting hearts before we rise.
Falling towards the hillside, Jack and Crystal chat about the festive season and jolly stuff like that. Floating down, they now hold hands with other flakes of snow, forming swirling flurries that get stronger as they grow. Together, we can do so much, declares Jack as they fall. Unity's important, for together we stand tall. Alone, we can be fragile. But when we stick together, we cover ground like nothing else. And warm young hearts forever. Huh, I see your point, says Crystal. Looking left, then down, then right. As the flurry she's now part of forms a blizzard, pure and white. A billion swirling snowflakes are now falling from the sky, holding hands in silence, like a tranquil lullaby.
Holding hands each time we fall, tumbling down, I hear your call. And as one we close our eyes, melting hearts before we rise.
Crystal turns to Jack, still clutching his cold hand.
I know we need each other, so as to settle when we land. Snowflakes stick together. That's something I believe in. And it's lovely when we form a blanket, deep and crisp and even. Though I still wish I were somehow different, special, or unique. But I'm just another snowflake. It's enough to make me weep.
Jack now laughs at Crystal. You cannot be for real. It's not about appearances. It's how you think and feel. More than that, I can't believe you've not heard the refrain. That all of us are different. No two snowflakes are the same. Look around you now. We've all got different bits. Some of us are hexagons. Some have points or tips. That flake over there has got a prism for a head. And that one's kind of fern-shaped, with icy arms outspread. So even though we're made of snow, we're all one of a kind. But what makes us so special is our strength when we're combined.
Holding hands each time we fall, tumbling down. I hear your call. And as one, we close our eyes, melting hearts before we rise.
Crystal finally realizes she's not like all the rest. And that's what makes all snowflakes special. Truly, they are blessed. But when they fall together, tumbling hand in hand. And that creates the magic. When they meld after they land. Crystal gazes round and sees a billion snowflake friends. And then she smiles at Jack, because their dance will shortly end. The snowflakes drift towards the hillside. Some touch down on branches. But Crystal likes to get the most from festive moonlit dances. Finally, she settles down with countless other flakes and marvels at the wintry scene. Their pure white magic makes. Soon she'll melt and rise again, then fall from skies once more. But for now, this tired, moshling snowflake sleeps, then gently snores. Crystal dreams of all the things that Jack explained tonight, and now knows if they stick together, life will be all right.
Holding hands
Good night.